What's up, guys? It's your boys, Ray. Welcome back to another. Today we're gonna do a 3 a.m. by Goldberg. No. Big Bird. What we will do go for the next video. Now we're gonna do a Big Bird or Big Bird. Now we're gonna do a 3 a.m. Man, I got that from Walmart too. Now I'm gonna put it somewhere else. Where we might put him? Right here. Oh my god, he's moving. I have to put him somewhere right here. Oh my god, stay right here. Just tagger it. Oh, we got a Big Bird over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. Yo, what's it? Oh my god, look! Oh my god! Big Bird already gone! Yo, Big Bird already gone. What Big Bird, where are you? What? Oh my god, I hear that voice. What is that? Who making that voice like that? Oh my god, there's Goldberg right. Yo, that's Big Bird right there. Big Bird, what are you doing? Big Bird, what are you doing? Yo, oh my god, Big Bird. Yo, where's the bots go? Oh my god. Oh my god, Big Bird just went to the sky. Yo, Big Bird just went to the sky. How? Yeah, the next video, Goldberg already went to the sky. Yo, oh my god, Big Bird just went to the sky again. Goldberg, what are you doing, Goldberg? Leave me alone. Yo, Goldberg already gone now. Yo, what is that right there? Yo, what is that? That's Big Bird? What is Big Bird? Yeah, that's him! Yo, why his face is turned like that? Oh my god, Yo, where's Big Bird at? Big Bird already gone. Oh my god, Big Bird just drove down my feet. Big Bird, come on, Big Bird. Oh my god. Oh, that was an ambulance. Yo, that's Big Bird car. Yo, that's Big Bird cars. There, wait. Oh my god, that's Big Bird. Yo, how you get right there, Big Bird? How you get right there? Big Bird, go in. Oh, what the hell? Yo, go. Oh my god, it's Big Bird. Yo, he knocked my camera down. What the? Goldberg, stop, Big Bird. Stop punching. Yo, what is that? Yo, what are you doing? Leave me alone. Yo, Big Bird, keep moving. Oh my god. Yo, Big Bird's right there. How you get right there, Big Bird?
Subscribe. Please don't subscribe to the video. I will kill you.
Oh my god. No, Big Bird say, subscribe to the video. When he doesn't, he will kill me. Please subscribe because he's gonna kill me. Yo, Big Bird's gone. How he flew off. Where are you, Big Bird? Oh my god, Big Bird, open the door. Oh, what the hell? Big Bird's right there. Where's the salt? Salt right here. There's the salt right there. Ugh. Ugh. Big Bird, leave me alone. Big Bird. Spirits, leave me alone. Spirits, leave me alone. Spirits, leave me alone. Oh my God, Big Bird already. I already put salt. Will he not moving no more? Let me see if he stay right there. Nope, he's not moving. The game's over because I put salt. That was a quick. You like this video. See you next time. Bye.